Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a little upgrade that we had done at the Grand Design Rally. This is the safety rail. Stick around and we'll show you all about this upgrade and the latch extender. This is the safety rail. Not available yet. However, we did want to give you a look at it. It mounts flush, as you can see here. And you just pull, and it is held in place by this extremely strong magnet. And then you have multiple screw points that are mounted to your RV. This may be a concern for some people. I'm just not very concerned about it because of the benefit of having this rail. So I just pulled it up, and you just pull this down. You can see it slides into place. And this thing is very, very secure. You can pull on it. It's just not going to rip out of the wall. And then as far as walking down, you're holding the rail all the way down the stairs. So there's no teetering, there's no tottering. We've had a few older people actually fall down our stairs because there's no bar to hold on to. Here are the features listed on the MORryde website. Residential style safety for your RV. Telescopic rail extends 42.5 inches from the RV wall. It provides secure, continuous rail surface. It's easy and quick to install, and the magnetic lock securely holds the rail in place during travel. If you like this video, can you take a moment and give it a like? That way more people can see this awesome upgrade. Thank you. We are not getting paid for this review. It is absolutely voluntary, and I just felt like we should share this with you because we 100% recommend this. We absolutely love it. We are thrilled with this upgrade. Okay, so let me show you how to close this thing when you're ready to leave. So when you're ready to leave, and I'm holding the camera, so this isn't easy, but first you just push this up, and you just keep sliding it, and then push it down, and the magnet grabs it. And some people are like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen if you're driving down the road and you go on a bump and this thing flies open? Well, I'm pulling on this thing from the very bottom, and this magnet is not letting go. Okay, I have to like pull it to get it open, okay? It's not coming off. It's not gonna fly up. Listen to this. It is a strong magnet. It's not gonna fly up. We absolutely love this rail. Here's a close-up of it. You can see how well it's put together, how well it's screwed in, and just what a great idea this has been for us. No regrets. We also got the MORryde Latch Extender installed at the rally, and this is a game changer. This is my favorite upgrade ever on our RV. Love this thing. It makes getting in and out so easy. That this is installed right onto the handle. Right like that. And then it is installed on the door, and you can see here that it has a backer plate. Here are the features listed on the MORryde website. It attaches to the door lock, it has a longer handle, greater gripping surface, easier to reach and open the door, no need to take steps up and down just to open your RV door. The nicest thing about this handle is just how easy it is to get in the RV without having to go all the way up the stairs, open the door, come back down. I am 5'5" and I can really struggle to open the door. I mean, most people don't stand like this to open the door. You go up the stairs. The nice thing about this new handle is I can go on the first step, pull it, and go right in. If you have small kids, this thing is perfect. We have grand nieces and a grand nephew. They're age 7 to age 3, and the problem they have is they will be coming up the stairs, someone will be coming out the door, and then they get knocked down the stairs with the door. This is great because they can come up and stand below the threshold of the door, pull it open, and they have this wonderful handle, and they can easily come into the RV. So it is really perfect. It's just perfect. Are you fold the handle?
Very cool, man.
Awesome. If you like our content and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate your support.